Hello, good morning, ladies, gentlemen, and friends. Today is March 2, Monday, 2026. This morning, the sun shine brightly. We have a good day today. No clouds, no sign of rain. I thank for this beautiful morning. How about in your place? Is it also a beautiful morning? To those overseas employees or workers in part of Saudi Arabia or the neighboring places, please stay safe. Stay safe. Listen to the news for your update. God bless us all. Thank you, everyone.